Hey everyone, I'm Chef Eduardo, and welcome to the Q&A, where we answer grilling's hottest questions. Today we're firing up the new Gourmet Pro Gas Grill from Nexgrill, which features the all-new Griddle Max Cooking System. This 4-in-1 system lets you grill, griddle, smoke, and slow roast all on a single grill, which is pretty wild. So today I'm putting it to the test by making a tomahawk steak using multiple configurations to bring out the best flavors. Let's start with classic grilling. With the Griddle Max, you can use the standard grill grates to cook directly over high heat, delivering that deep sear and rich caramelization. Now that we have a nice crust, it's time to go low and slow. The Griddle Max Cooking System lets you turn your grill into a smoker by creating a chamber with the griddle plate and standard grate. We'll just add a few handfuls of soaked wood chips. The smoke adds that deep, savory flavor you just can't get any other way. It's the secret ingredient that makes a good steak unforgettable. After resting for a few minutes, it's time to slice. Look at that perfect medium rare, deep sear on the outside, and that smoky richness running all the way through. That's the power of combining high heat with just the right amount of smoke. And there it is, a nice tomahawk cooked using the Griddle Max Cooking System. Man, I really love how the Gourmet Pro gives me access to all of my favorite cooking methods on a single grill. No need to have 5 grills taking up space in your backyard. This one's all you really need. If you're ready to grow your grilling game by bringing all of your favorite cooking techniques under one lid, get your Gourmet Pro Gas Grill with the Griddle Max Cooking System exclusively at Home Depot.